Welcome back here to Punta Cana. All you can see, we are today here at Plaza Brisas, Brisa de Bavaro. I don't know if you can see the sign up there. That's actually the reason I'm standing here at this busy road that used to be the main road. It's still the main road because we don't have too many roads here. I think it's called Calle Francia now. And it's the road that goes to Friusa, to the oil, to the gas station, and on the other side to the Corner Bar and the Palladium Resort. There's the Occidental. Punta Cana is this side, so that you have an idea where we are. This is more or less. This is more or less in the middle here. It was one of the first plazas that we had here, where you could go for coffee or for a juice or a sandwich. There was a pizza place many years ago as well, a Mexican, and it's still here. The good thing is there's parking. You can change your money here. There's a money changer, and food and drinks. They already open in the morning, so whenever you're hungry, you can come early, you can come in the middle of the day, and you can come late. So I go and take you now and show you quick the plaza before we go and have lunch at the Cuban, La Brisa de Cuba. Yummy, yummy. This is a classic here, Solo Pollo, that's here forever. Used to be open 24 hours, and we went there, well, until early in the mornings for chicken. Brisa de Bavaro, that's the name now because there is a little hotel with this name here at Plaza Bavaro. This little house to your right, I think there is a Mexican at night. And right over here, that's the Brazilians. They have a little cafe. You can try Brazilian food over here. And then just around the corner is money exchange. That's over here. Right now it doesn't have any other sign. It just says abierto when it's open. But you just can go inside and change your dollars, your Canadian dollars, your euros, all in here. Next door is for rent. Then there is here where you can buy ice cream. I think that's from the Brazilians as well. And then over here is a restaurant that I saw is closed, but now it looks open again. Hey guys, here's the menu. Menu has the prices. Newest, this up here where it says taxes are not included. Maybe that's instead of raising the prices, they exclude the tax as well. You probably know from wherever you live, prices are going up and up and up. It's the same here, Bavaro, whatever it is, if it's meat, if it's gas, everything is just ridiculous expensive. And look at it and remember that it was 100 pesos just a couple of weeks ago, and now it's 200 pesos. I don't know how it is where you live, but here it's crazy. It's crazy. Crazy prices going up. But still, there has to be money for a Sandwich Cuban. Lecker feines Sandwich. Gracias. Looks good. Best part of the day is eating. The sandwich is huge already, and then we got papa fritas with it. French fries, sorry. Wrong language. La cuenta, por favor. Good thing is you can also make your emails, answer your emails while you're here. Wasn't sure if I have money with me. Déjame ver. 100. Cuenta. Así está bien. Muchas gracias. So it was in total 450 pesos. The dollar is right now $1 I think is 55, so $7, $8. That was the big sandwich and the juice, and well, tips are included, but I get one anyway. So. Oh. Thank you for watching here Punta Cana All You Can See. I hope you liked the video. This is one of my restaurants that I like to go for a quick lunch. I love the sandwich. Even I'd have it sometimes here for breakfast, as my accountant just has his office here and I meet him usually in the mornings. And I hope you like it too. If you like the video, I'm happy if you can subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Everything you need to know here at Punta Cana All You Can See. Fräulein Tong Tong and I, we drive on now and we go back to work.